Hi, my name is Anna White. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a mid-century inspired farmhouse bed.
I created a free step-by-step plan with diagrams, shopping, and cut lists in all mattress sizes for your convenience. You can click at the link in the description to download it. I recommend making all of your cuts using a compound miter saw for quick, safe, and straight cuts. For the headboard, I'm going to join the boards together first with a pocket hole jig. I set the jig for the 3/4 inch setting and drilled the holes and then used 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws. My husband gave me a hand. We tried the vertical method of attaching the pocket holes and it actually worked out really great. The headboard is too flimsy with just the 1x8 board, so we added a 1x3 frame to the back to give it more structure and also to give it a chunkier look. We attached those boards with 3/4 inch pocket holes and 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws. For the footboard piece, I cut a 2x6 to the length required, then attached 2x4s on the inside. For the two side rails, it's a 2x6 with a 2x4 on the inside and then a leg. Notice how I built them in mirror. This project was actually quick and easy, and we're on to the finishing steps. Because the rounded edges are so in right now, we decided to give it a try with a router. We rounded all of the edges. We sanded everything with 120 grit sandpaper and then finished with a fine sandpaper. For a stain, I rubbed on a golden oak color, but I felt it was too orange in color, so I mixed some white paint with just a little bit of water and applied that over top. Now the color is perfect. For assembly, I put it all in the room and then marked out where the side rails go on the headboard and pre-drilled some holes and attached the side rails from the back. The footboard was super easy to attach. I just put it in place and then put some screws through. The same with the center support. Super easy to assemble this entire bed. We also added a center leg for additional support, then placed the slats on top and screwed them down. This bed is so beautiful, and with the cantilevered legs, so stylish and fresh.
All right, we'll just keep it short. Bed turned out great. It's your turn. Build it. Link is in the description. Click on over there, grab the plans, build it, send us photos when you're done. You got this.